In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make an animated Google Classroom banner using your Bitmoji. So here is the one that I have already created, and if I click through my slides, you can see that my Bitmoji moves across the screen and has different poses throughout. All right, so that is what you want it to look like in Google Slides before you do the animation. So I'm going to show you how to start from scratch. So I'm going to click on a blank presentation. And I'm just going to title it Google Classroom Bitmoji, if I can spell, banner. And then you want to change the size by going to Page Setup, Custom, and making it 16 by 4 inches and clicking Apply. All right, now it looks like a banner. I'm just going to change the layout to blank. And the first thing you want to do is select your background. So you can go to Google and find different backgrounds that you like, or there's some different clip arts that people share on, Facebook, Google Slides that they share. So I found one that I liked, so I'm going to go to Insert Image, Upload from Computer, and here it is. Oops, no, sorry, I don't want to do that. I want to click on Background, choose Image, and then browse it that way. That way you can't move your background. All right, and click on Done. So now I can't move that. It is my background, and now I want to work from back to front, and I want to build up my classroom. So to insert an image, you're going to click on Search the Web, and your keyword that you want to type in is transparent. So let's say we want a whiteboard. I'm going to type in transparent whiteboard and find one that you like, select it, and click Insert. All right, then you're gonna reposition it, resize it wherever you want, and just move it there. So if you click on Insert and Transparent and you still can't find something that you like, you can just go to Google, and let's say I wanted a couch clip art. You can also put transparent on Google and find something as well. But let's say I like this, and I go to copy image and go back here and paste. There we go. And so that one was automatically transparent. So I'm just gonna move it there. Let's say that you wanted a clock. If you find something and it's not transparent, so this one is not transparent, I'm going to save this image and just click on Save, because I already know that this does not have a transparent background, and I'll just show you. So if I paste that in here, it has a white background. I don't want that. So I'm going to go to remove.bg and upload that image. So you can see I've already actually done it. So find the image, upload it, and then it will remove the background for you. So now I'm going to copy this and now paste it in. And now we don't have that background. All right, so I'm going to finish building up the classroom. So I'm going to pause it. So the next thing I want to show you is how to flatten something. So for example, I like this school rug, and I've just removed the background. And if I paste it in, it's going to be vertical. So I'm going to show you how to flatten that, and you can't actually do it in Google Slides. So I am going to copy that and go to PowerPoint. And just go to a new slide and paste it in here. So now I'm going to click on Picture Format, and next to Quick Styles there's this Picture Effects icon. So you're going to click on 3D rotation and go down to perspective and click on the second one on the left and second one on the right. And it kind of tilts it a little bit. Now I'm going to click on Format Pane, still in the picture format heading, and click on 3D rotation. And now I can see that the perspective is set at 45, and I'm just gonna keep tilting that, and I can now bring that up, and now it looks flat. So now I'm gonna copy it from there and go back to my slide and paste it in. And now just bring it down, and I can still reposition it a little bit here. And if that's too big that way, I can bring it in. And there we go. So that is how to flatten your rug. All right, your next step is to insert your first Bitmoji. So if you don't have the extension, you want to go to your Chrome web store and search Bitmoji and install that first. You want to link it with your Snapchat, change your picture to whatever, or sorry, your outfit to whatever you want, and then click on your extension. And I usually search pose, and let's just start off by waving. Excuse me. And now I'm gonna resize it so that I'm not ginormous. I don't want to be too small either. And I'm gonna go from left to right. So now I'm gonna copy this slide and paste it. And now I can see where I left off, and I want to walk across the screen. So now I'm gonna type in walk, and here's a walking one. So I'm gonna drag that in. And I left my last one so that I can see what size I was, because I don't want to shrink or grow throughout. So I'm going to just try and make it the same size, and also I want to see what position I left off at so that I'm not going too far away or too close, or I'm not going backwards and forwards. All right, so now I can delete my first one. So you want to set up all your poses going across the screen. Then your next step, I'm just going to go back to my finished product. So once you're done with all of them, and this is just a reminder of what mine looks like, and once you're happy with that, you want to first download Creator Studio. So in Google, I'm just going to click on Creator Studio plugin. It's the first one in the G Suite Marketplace, and you want to install that. Then it will automatically pop up in your add-ons. So here's Creator Studio, and you're going to open that. All right, so I've always been told to have 1600 pixels, and then your interval, I would make it around half a second, and that just means each slide will last half a second. And animated GIF, and then you're going to click go, and that will save it for you. Now, if I click go, mine says value must be less than or equal to 500. It works for some people, doesn't work for others. So what I did, since that didn't work for me, first when I saved it as just 500, it made it really blurry and just small. So I went to just type in GIF Maker, and I used gifmaker.me, I believe. And so what you're going to need to do if it doesn't work for you and you want it to work out the way you want it to, is you're going to save each of these as an image on your computer, and then go back to Animated GIF Maker and upload those images, and then you can go to Create GIF Animation. So once you have your animation complete, you want to go to your Google Classroom. Okay, and then upload photo. select a photo from your computer and just find it there. So you can actually upload a GIF there, and you cannot do anything about the dark overlay, at least not right now. They have this automatic dark overlay, so it's going to be dark. It's not going to be as bright, but yeah, there's nothing you can do about it. But now you have your GIF in here, and that's pretty much it. So if you have any questions, just let me know.